Upon purchasing the Arch Pipe catalog, you'll be presented with a dialog similar to this. Here you'll be able to click to download the zip file immediately upon fulfillment of the payment. So you'd click here, download it. Then if you go into your downloads, you'll extract the zip file, and within that you should see an Arch folder, and there's some data inside that Arch folder. You'll want to make a copy of the Arch folder. Next, go into Civil 3D, and you're going to go to Part Build, or Set Pipe Network Catalog. And in this top line, you want to look at where your pipe catalog path is. I'm currently set to the out-of-the-box catalog, but you may be set to a company catalog of some sort. So note what this path is. Next, while Civil 3D is open, you can browse to your catalog path. And then within the catalog, you can browse into the correct directory that you want. So in this case, here's my catalog. I'm looking at US Imperial Pipes. This is where I want to place the Arch pipes. And I'm just going to paste into that location. So I should see an Arch folder and then all my pipe data directly underneath that folder. Then back within Civil 3D, we're going to type in a command, part catalog regen, and we're going to regen the pipe section. And we should see something to the effect of your parts were successfully updated. If there are any issues, you can check this validation file and then read through the validation file about the Arch pipes to see if there was any issues in validating them. I have seen issues where you don't have full read-write access to the part catalog, and so it's important before you run the part catalog regen that you do have full read-write access to that in order for it to update the appropriate files to see the parts. All right, so now in any drawing or template that you want to add those parts to utilize them in your design, you need to go to the settings of that drawing and the pipe network tab and the parts list. And in this case, I'm just going to add them to my storm sewer parts list. And so we've got some already pre-populated in here. We're going to right click on, or we're going to be on the pipes tab, right click on the storm sewer and add part family. And now you should see the Arch pipes showing up here. And so I've got a few different ones in here for you that you can load in. So we're going to go ahead and load all those. Say OK. And then just like any other pipe, you want to add sizes. So we can say add part size, and then we can check to just go ahead and add all sizes, or you can select out of the list. Then further from here, you can control your styling of how it's going to draw out in the plan. We'll just do the reinforced concrete pipe arch. Sounds okay. And then at that point, now we can start doing our network. And so we're going to do our network off of the storm sewer parts list. And I'm going to select a 48-inch structure, and then from our parts list we can find the right pipe that we want. Once we pick our structure size and our pipe size, then we can use pipes and structures and start drawing out our network. If you need to change a size, you can use swap parts and browse through and change your pipe size to something else. And if we take a look at these, and we should see the arch pipe showing up. And that will model appropriately in profile, plan view, all of that, section view, according to the parametric design. If you need to make any size or material edits, you can do that through Part Builder. You'll have full control over that. So you can get into one of these and modify the part sizes. then you can come into, let's say you wanted to change materials, you could go into the part size name and make your edit in here as far as how you want the abbreviations to come out for the part size name of that object or the material corresponding. If you need to change from reinforced concrete to something else. If you need additional sizes, you can come into the values, come down here, and then you can click the new button here, add a size, and then you should be able to just type in the driving factors. If I browse these columns wider, the driving factors are the pipe inner height and pipe inner width. And so you could make some size changes in here. Maybe you did 120 by 180. I don't know if that's a real size, but you could make those adjustments in here. And then maybe you want to adjust the wall thickness to be a little larger for that pipe. All right. If you have any questions, you can email me at support@redtransitconsultants.com and we can get you up and running. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.